Hi, I'm Chloe from Zhongshan DKM vending machine. Today I'll introduce this vending machine to you. Look here, we have a age verification, so we can restrict teenagers from purchasing e-cigarettes. Now I show you how to make the payment. Choose one and start validation. And put your passport or ID card here. Okay, so now we can use the card payment. Wait a second, the machine will dispense the item. Okay, we can take it out from the pickup area. It's very convenient. If you are interested in our products, please chat us. Thank you.